Well, hello friends. I'll just wait for a few of you to join in and then we'll start the video. How have you all been? Hi Sonika. Hi Kanika. Hi Trupti. Hey Surbhi. Let's just wait for a few more minutes so that we have more viewers and then we'll start the video. Hi Purnima. Hi Alka. Hi Sneha. I am good Alka. Hi Monica Di. How are you? How's everyone doing after the lockdown? How are things working out with you guys? Weather is terrible in Delhi right now. So much of pollution. Hi Navjot. Busy crafting every day. Please give me some crafting mojo. I really need it badly. I'm totally out of mojo. Hi Jaya. Hi Anju. This is the first time, I guess, after a long time that I have come up with a release and I do not have a single inspiration with me. I am so sorry guys, but hi Sonika. Hey Ritu. Okay, so I was telling you, this is the first time that I have come up with the release without a single inspiration for you guys. Though I have a collab who will be inspiring you guys. From tomorrow you will be getting post. I hope tomorrow or day after max. The stuff is already she started working on it. I have a few pics. I'll share those with you today. Hi Assumption, how are you? Where have you been? Hey Soumya. So that's what I was saying, but I'm really sorry that I could not make anything to inspire you guys, as there is a renovation going on in my house, one thing, and secondly I am completely out of mojo. I don't know why, what is wrong with me, but I am not feeling like crafting abhi at this point of time. Many of you must be knowing I just bought a puppy also 2-3 months back, and I think I am enjoying my motherhood again with the little pup. She is keeping me occupied the whole day through. Good Alka. So I think quite a few have joined in already. These days are dull. Yeah, Swati, these days are definitely dull. I am totally, it never happens with me, and especially with my dies. As the moment I get them in my hands, I'm like, okay, I got to make this, I got to make that. But this time I don't know why, but I can't do anything. I don't feel like, sitting and cutting only, die cutting only I'm not doing. So maybe it is time. I just hope I get better very soon, because I really need to craft. It really keeps me sane. Hi Devi. Thank you Swati. Okay, let's start. Dies I'll show you in the end. And for now, let's start with the cardstock. Thank you so much guys for appreciating the pearl cardstock which we had launched earlier. And after that, many of you requested for the matte color cardstock also. So here we are. Everything, all the products which I am announcing right now, they're already live on the website. You can go check the new arrival section. They're all there. So these are the cardstock. This is the Lux Cream Matte cardstock. It is very good quality, heavy cardstock. It is imported. Very nice papers. Very good quality cardstock. Your puppy is very cute. Loved watching all your photos with me. Thank you so much, Surbhi. Okay, so this is the Lux cream. Then we have a flesh matte cardstock. It is a flesh color, skin tone color, I think. Then this is a very beautiful color, very favorite of mine, mango matte color. It is a orangish yellow, very beautiful yellow color. Then again, this is very favorite of mine, desert sand smooth matte cardstock. It is a light desert color, very nice. What do you call that? Something like a craft color, in between a craft color. Okay, this is pure beige. See, there is a difference in both the colors. This is more on a this has more orangish tone to it. This is less on that. So both of the colors are very different and very beautiful. Both of them are. Then we have a too much requested pool matte cardstock. This is the pool color. I hope my camera is doing justice to this and it is picking the colors properly. Then this is the series of what do you call that, metallic shimmer cardstocks again. Yeah, nude shade is a good thing. Yes. Thank you, Swati. Hi, Lina. Okay, so in the metallic shimmers, we already had green, peach, and then baby blue. And pink was one side it was shimmer and one side it was matte, so it goes in both variations. And now we have champagne cream color, which is a creamish tone with a gold shine to it. Cream tone with a gold shine to it. Then we have golden beige metallic color. It is a golden color, very beautiful golden. It is not that Jetag jazzy golden. Then we have dull silver metallic pearl shimmer. This is very favorite of mine. This is midnight blue. It is also a metallic color. And this is my favorite this time. I really love this. This is a very beautiful color cardstock. I'll just open it and show it to you guys. This is a embossed rose metallic printed cardstock. It is printed and it is in gold shimmer and it has a very beautiful print. Metallics, I don't remember. It's 200, I guess. 200 or 250, somewhere around that only. I swear I don't remember. My mind is totally outright these days. So check on the website. dyketsandmore.com is the website. Check the new arrival section. You will find everything, whatever I am showing you here, you will find it there. So I'll just do a quick recap. So this is it is very good quality. See, it is a very heavy quality and it is white on one end. It is printed on one side. Thank you, Alka. It is 200 rupees, guys. So this is the embossed rose cardstock. Then this is metallic blue, dull silver, golden beige, and champagne cream. And we already have 4 colors in metallics. Hi Jagrati Di. So these are priced the same. Okay, 200 rupees. Thank you, Swati. Thank you so much. Then we have in the matte cardstocks, we have pool matte cardstock. Then we have pure beige. We have desert storm, mango matte, flesh matte, and Lux cream. And trust me, guys, all the cardstock, the quality of the cardstock is really amazing. So do not hesitate. And we have a combo offer also. Just check the website. The combo is also posted there and assorted also. Okay, so this was with the cardstocks. Now let's move on to the one more thing. In the cardstocks, we have updated our gold cardstock. See, earlier the gold cardstock was beige from backside. It was craft color from backside. Now we have updated it and it is white from back. It is a high quality gold cardstock and it is priced at I think 200 rupees only. But the size of the cardstock is 8 by 10. Instead of 8.5 by 11, it is 8 by 10. We did not change the price. but the quality has definitely improved. Then gold matte cardstocks come in the same. It does not come only in the white backing. So it is with the brown backing gold only. And white silver cardstock also we have updated. It is in the white background, and it's also a very good quality silver paper. And this time we also have silver matte cardstock, which is also white from back. So everything is updated on the website. Please do go and place your orders now. Now comes the critter sheet. This has been a very delayed, launch for us because of my mood swing, I guess. Nothing more I can say. I do not have any explanation. So this is the first critter sheet. My critter sheets are a huge success. All thanks to you guys. You really, take it to the next level. I see your projects and I feel so proud. Thank you so much. Hi Pramila ji. Hi Nithya. Okay, so this is green blue watercolor flowers. It's a very beautiful watercolor floral sheet. If you can see, it is loose watercoloring. If you cut it out and just put it on any of your projects, and with decant dyes, definitely they'll do wonders. So this is the first one. This is the second sheet, which is Cherry Blossom Bouquet. Cherry Blossom Bouquet 1 and Cherry Blossom Bouquet 2. So again, these are like, what I generally do is I flip over the sheet on the first. If this flower is facing this side on this in this sheet, it will face this side and this sheet. So you get both the versions. And with this sheet, this is one sheet, and with this sheet, we have a coordinating another sheet, which is Cherry Blossom flowers. So these flowers will coordinate very well with this bouquets. So we have two sheets, Cherry Blossom bouquets and Cherry Blossom flowers, and these two will coordinate with each other. So for layering and everything, you can use the flowers from this and you can use the bouquets. Okay, now comes fourth sheet. This is the magnolia, white magnolia. Many of you had requested me regarding the white sheets, white flowers, more of white florals. And I love this magnolia. Magnolia is somehow, I don't know why, I really find it very attractive. So here is the next sheet. Okay. Okay, next is Fanciful Flowers. This is the fifth sheet. Fanciful flowers. These are pansies, beautiful pansies. Look at these. Very beautiful flowers. Watercolored pansies. And I don't know how many flowers do you get in this sheet. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so many of the layers. It is value for money in 120 rupees, and printing is awesome. Okay. This is the berry wreaths. Pink berry wreaths. Beautiful sheet. I have no words to explain it. It is one of my most favorite sheets so far. So this is, and we have berries to coordinate with these. We have pink berries and we have green berries as well to coordinate with these sheets. They really coordinate very well. This though is totally exactly the same, and these sheets also, they coordinate very well with this. Even any flowers, berries always coordinate very well with all the flowers. We had white berries earlier, and these are pink berries. Okay. Now comes pulmonarias. Again, very beautiful, very different combination, pink and blue. Very beautiful sheet. We have bouquets also, we have flowers also. I think it is a very beautiful and versatile sheet. Alka course is on the way. Let's hope I am able to create. I am sorry, yaar. I don't know what is wrong with me. I am not able to work these days. This is one of my very favorite flowers. It is very beautiful. This is the purple peony. If you can see, it has a slight touch of blue in this, in the ends, and it's very beautiful. The coloring, everything is very beautiful. I love this flower. See, the shades and everything. Very beautiful flower. Okay, and last but not the least in the critter sheets is this. This is the Purple Glory. Many of you had seen my fussy cutting of this. I had posted a pic many months back. And this is a very beautiful sheet again. Very, very versatile, very beautiful. I will be coming up, I am sure I will be coming up with a few inspirations in just a few days. I am working on this. And last but not the least, I had thousands of messages in my inbox regarding the vintage girls. All of you wanted the vintage girl sheets. Ma'am, please create a vintage girl sheet for us. I really love it. And so here we are. It is a set of 10 sheets all together. They are not sold individually. It is a set of 10 sheets. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It is a set of 10 sheets for 450 rupees only. 10 vintage girl sheets printed on heavy quality iris paper, beautiful printing. You all know the printing and quality of my critter sheets. Anyone can vouch for that now. I do not have to explain. So I'll go again. 450 rupees for 10 sheets, 10 A4 size sheets. It's not A4, it is 9 by 12 size. A little larger than A4, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So this is with the critter sheets. I'll just give you a quick recap. This is the vintage girls, then Purple Glory, Purple Peony. Purple is this color of the season, I guess. I indulged too much in purple this time. Pulmonarias, berries, berry wreaths. Hey Priya. Fanciful flowers, white magnolias, cherry blossom flowers first, and cherry blossom bouquets, and then my favorite, green blue watercolor flowers. So this is up for the critter sheets. Critter sheets are priced 120 rupees for a pair. As usual, they're all premium sheets, premium designs. And now the favorite part, which is dies. Yes, we have come up with 12 dies this time in the October release. 12 dies, guys, from small to big, all kinds. So this is the first die, which is a decorative flourish. You get 2 dies in the set. See, this is a very cleverly designed flourish, guys. If you can see, there is no cutting edge. If you can see it properly, there is no cutting edge here. The die will be attached when you cut it on the paper. The die will keep attached. Can you see it properly? Is it out of focus? Now, yeah, now I think it is visible. Okay, so there is no cutting edge. If you want to keep it attached to the paper, it will stay attached to the paper. If you want to trim it off, you can trim it off. So this is the flourish, and this is the cutout of the flourish. And we have the shadow. Generally, I do not make dies without the shadow. It always are helpful. Swati, even I missed that time, yeah. Okay, so this is the flourish, if you can see. And the shadow cuts the entire thing. The shadow does not stay attached. So this is the first die, and these are very reasonably priced. I am not sure, but this must be 350, 400, somewhere around that only. Who's saying? Guys, is it clear to you guys? My husband just called that I should show it on my midnight blue cardstock. Just a moment. Is it better now? Okay, so this is the first die. Let's move on to the second. We have two labels also this time. Okay, so this is decorative accent 1. It is a set of 2 dies, guys. And what you will get, this is the die cut. First die cut, and this is the second die cut. So it will come like this. Hi Shalini. Okay, so, and this is the die, and this is the label for the insert. This is the label insert of the die. Okay, so this is the second die, guys. Third label is decorative accent 2. This is the third die. Should I zoom a bit? Okay, just give me a moment. Let me just set my camera. Okay, am I visible now? Is it okay now? Okay, so this is the die cut. This is the main frame. This is the shadow. The dies, I'll just show it to you. You will get 3 dies in this, guys. I don't know where the shadow is. Anyways, I'll just show it to you. You will get 3 dies. One is the shadow, one is the main frame, and one is the insert. I have the insert and the main frame with me. Shadow is missing from here somehow. But you will get a shadow also. Like this one. This die here. Okay. So, this is the cutout of the shadow. This is the main frame. The main frame will cut out with the main insert. And then you get one oval die for the label insert, which you can layer like so. It's a traditional, very beautiful design. Thank you, Sindhu. Okay. So this is the second die. Let me just put aside these dies. Now comes my borders. My borders had always been a rage in you guys. You have always loved my borders and you have always appreciated and asked me for more and more. So this time we have come up with 4 new borders. First one is, this is the Rajwari border. It reminds me, the moment I saw this design, I was like, oh god, this reminds me of Amer Palace, and this is how I named it Rajwari border. So this is the Rajwari border, and this is the cutout. See how pretty it is. Beautiful, intricate design. And of course you will get the shadow as well. Very beautiful design. I loved it. So this is the first border. I'll just keep it aside. The second border, most requested border, ribbon pass lace. Ribbon pass lace design was, it was so much requested to me, I had to make it. So This is the cover, this is the lace, and this is how it looks after you pass the ribbon. It's a beautiful, beautiful die. See? And it is pretty big. I'll just show you how many inches. It is approximately 8.5 inches, guys. Thank you, Sheetal. Thank you, Shalini. So this is the second border. Okay? And you get 2 dies, as you know. This is the first die, and then this is the second die with this. Okay? Now another requested die from you guys to me was a thin die. Thin, what do you call that? Which is thin border die. So this is my thin border die. It is called Tiny Tattered Lace. It is again a very beautiful die. This is the border cutout. Hi Namita. And this is the shadow. See how pretty it is. It gives a very nice tatting वाला lace नहीं बनाते थे पहले, वो shuttle से जो बनती थी. It actually looks like that. This is to die for. Thank you so much, Shalini. It's a very beautiful die. So this is another third die in the borders. And last but not the least, this is my eyelet die. This is again a ribbon pass die, guys. This is a like from here, if you pass the ribbon, it looks very cool. I have tried it, but somehow I'm not finding, and I did not have my ribbon, smaller ribbon at home. Otherwise I would have shown it to you. But if you pass the ribbon from here also, it looks very beautiful. It is a very beautiful die. And again it comes with the shadow as usual. And all the dies are pretty, big. So and on any of your projects you can easily use them. For smaller projects obviously you can cut them out, but on even larger projects you can use them. So this is the fourth border. So I'll show you all the border dies also here. Border cutouts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This one reminds me of tatting. I found this one more like tatting one. Anyways. Okay, so these are the 4 borders. Okay, guys? Your dies are super intricate. Thank you, Gopi. Okay. Thank you, Surbi, for replying. So these are the 4 border dies. So guys, thumbs up, anything? Did you like it or no? So far, how's it going? Okay, how can a collection be complete without my envelope topper? My dies are never complete without an envelope topper. So we have a doily lace frame envelope topper this time. Thank you, Jagruti Di. So you get 2 dies. Actually, this is the main die. This insert, I just got it made just in case, if you want to add a layer or something. So it is always better, to have a same cutout. So I'll share with you the cutout. Look at this. See how beautiful is this. Thank you, Parul. So this is the inside, which will cut out like this, and this is just for layering. It is exactly the same if you want to stamp or make anything or something. Like, it is a smaller version of this cutout. This is not useful as it is though, but I somehow when I am doing my dies, I find it better to make it like these. So how did you like it, guys? It's very beautiful, no? I loved it. So this is my envelope topper die. And now As Diwali is just round the corner, we have a Shubh Diwali die. See, first I'll show you the die. This is the die with 3 Ganeshas. This die consists of 3 Ganeshas. I'll show you what Ganeshas I'm talking about. See, this is the first one. This is facing this side. This is the second, and it cuts inside the paper. So if you're wanting to create any shakers or something out of this, this is perfect for that. And this is the third mudra of Ganesha. One is facing to the left, one is facing to the right, and one is facing to the right also, but I have kept it in the center. So, and once it comes out of the background, it looks very pretty. Otherwise, if you see it like that, it might not be, you might not be able to understand, though it is very clear, perfectly clear to me, but still. And then you get a happy Diwali. And Ganesha is not one which is only, it will work in Diwali only. In any गणपति पूजा हम लोगों में सबसे पहले करते ही हैं. In any occasion, first thing we do is Ganpati puja. So Ganpati is always in trend. It is not only for Diwali. It is for wedding. It is for any occasion. Yeah, can be used in slimline cards, definitely. So we get a Shubh Diwali. Shubh Diwali is this. This is the die, and this is the shadow, as we use. Then we have 3 mudras of Ganpati. In the Ganpati, I have also given a shadow. You will get a shadow. I'll just show it to you once. You will get a shadow like so. But what I did is, I just cut out this part. This part is not required actually in the die. It will just give an impression, which I did not like much, so I just cut it off. You need to chip it off with a plier or scissors also. Tim Holtz scissors also works with this. So just remove this part and you will get a die piece like this one, mine. See, I have removed this already. So this will cut out a circle. If you want to cut out a Ganesha from the die also, then it will come out like this. I have used this die to cut this out. See? Then you can use it as a circle also. I have tried to, give you as many options as possible. It works with all of them. Some way or other, it works with all of them. If you use now, see, it works like this with this one. It works with all of them. And if you place it in the back also, it will work. See? Okay. So this is the Ganesha die. Don't go away. We have lots more. So now comes, after Ganesha, what's left? We have an entire shloka to cover. We have a Vakratund Mahakaya die, and it cuts. See, Vakratund Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha. I'll just show you the cutouts. There are 8 dies and 8 covers in this. Vakratund Mahakaya Surya Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurmadev Sarvakareshu Sarvada. Look at this. So we have an entire shlok in the die, and with the cover it becomes a little bigger, but it depends on what project you are using. But the words are very thin. See, Vakratund. It's very thin, very beautiful. I have not kept them properly, so because it got Vakratund Mahakaya. Look at this. Very beautiful dies. See? It's like this. So this is another die for this release. It makes a very beautiful background. Very, very beautiful background. Okay? Thank you, Surbhi. I hope you are liking these dies, guys. Okay, so this is also done now. And now, carrying on the Indian tradition, we have Paisley Henna art. Paisley Henna art is, just a moment. See? Thank you, Shalini. Thank you, Bidita. Look at this, guys. It's a beautiful paisley design. Very beautiful, very intricate. And then we have this. See? How beautiful is this? Thank you, Vinita. So these are the two of the Indian dyes which are Paisley Henna art. And last but not the least, you are gonna love this one. We have Indian peacocks. This is the dye, guys. These are the cutouts. You will get 4 dyes. Cover and peacock facing towards each other, like so. See? And these are the covers. See how beautiful these are. So this is the last dye for today's release. I guess I've covered everything. I hope you all like it, with the wedding season and the Diwali season all coming in. Thank you, Anu. Thank you, Vidita. So guys, let's do a quick recap. Indian peacock, henna paisley henna art, Vakratund Mahakaya, okay. Then we have Ganesha with Shubh Diwali. Okay, Ganesha and Shubh Diwali. Doily lace frame with the insert border. Okay. Ribbon pass lace, Rajwadi border, Thank you, Lena. Then this is tiny tattered lace. Eyelet lace. This is decorative accent 2. Okay. Decorative accent 1. Flourish. Decorative flourish. See? Isha, please check the website diecutsandmore.com, and there in the new arrivals category you will find everything with the prices. We have a combo also, we have individual dies also. Please go and search there. So guys, I hope you liked my collection. I hope I'm not missing any die now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. And then this we have already covered. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video, today's live. And last but not the least, I'll just share with you